we've added a button to the company setup screen. We've actually replaced two buttons that were there with this one button that says copy to other location or locations. So let's say you enter a new company or new carrier, and you're entering it for the location where you've indicated here. And let's say that you have multiple agency locations, not just one location, two or more locations. So you may want this carrier at one or more of those other locations. So if you click copy to other locations, this form will pop up. Now you have the option of choosing to send just the carrier that you've just entered, or maybe you want to send, you go through and you set up a bunch of carriers for this location and you want to send them all to another location. So either just the one you're looking at here, back here, or all carriers for this location. After that, you have another choice as to, do you want to copy this carrier or all carriers to a selected location, one of your other locations, and this will be a list of all your locations. It could be, depending on how you have it set up, you could see your cities here or a number like this. Or you could say, I want to send this carrier to all my other locations. So regardless of which option you choose, then you click continue. This form will go away and it's all been copied over. So if you have any questions, let us know, and we hope this is helpful for you.